Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
It's my first time here in Pakistan, and I'm
I
especially
was also
liking
in contact
gizzar.
with you, and it was my utter desire that I must request to you that tell me that you are a person from Gulf, and you have visited Pakistan, especially the northern areas like Gilgit, Baltistan, Malam Jabba, and Badin and Bahrain, and all these areas. So I request to you that kindly tell me that what are the gadgets and what is your opinion about that, what is your views, what is your technological aspects, what is your tourist terminology, and what is your exploring views, and what are the remaining all the parts. So I'm with you, and so tell me that what are the experiences and uh, what are the views, and what type of enthusiasm you have got in Pakistan, especially in northern areas, in KPK, in Gilgit Baltistan, and the other areas. So it is my request that please say something.
Al Jabri from Oman. It's my first time here in Pakistan, and I'm especially liking gizzar. We camped last night, and this is our first morning after camping. The experience was amazing. I'm so thankful that we were invited to experience this, to interact with the local people. One of the most hospitable and kind people I've ever met, and the place is just beautiful. Why am I here? Well, I think the world has so many beautiful places that are undiscovered, and I love to make a change. I like to be one of the first people. Probably I'm the first Omani to come to gizzar. I don't know, but I like to be one who has a message to tell the people that there are beautiful places, especially in Pakistan, you can come and enjoy. And all of those campers, you shouldn't miss this amazing view, the beautiful mountains, the trees, the sky. Everything is really, really, really what the heart wants, and the mind and the soul. So it just takes one person to make a change.
वतन है